Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we've got something that might just be the solution for those of you constantly on the go, especially if you like your smoothies, shakes, or even soups blended up fresh in a flash. Today, we're talking about the Brentwood Appliances JB-196 Blend-to-Go Blender. This compact little unit promises convenience without compromising on quality. So let's see how it stacks up. The Brentwood JB-196 is designed with portability in mind, sporting a sleek white body with a green button for that extra pop of color. What makes it stand out is its one-touch blending action, which on paper seems like a dream for anyone in need of a quick smoothie or drink. It features a 20-ounce capacity bottle, perfect for single servings, and this bottle is made of a durable, odor and impact-resistant plastic. Plus, it's BPA-free, which means you don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals leaching into your drinks. In terms of setup, using the Blend-to-Go is as simple as it gets. All you have to do is fill the bottle, click it into place, and hit the green button. The compact size means it's easy to store and carry, fitting comfortably in most cup holders or bag spaces. Ideal for those who want a quick snack or drink while traveling, at the office, or even on a hike. I personally tested this blender over a couple of days to see how it performed with various tasks. First off, I tried blending some frozen fruit and ice to make a smoothie. The one-touch action made it super easy, just press and go. While it didn't pulverize everything as smoothly as larger blenders, it definitely handled soft fruits like bananas and strawberries with no problem, providing a decent consistency. However, it did struggle a bit with frozen berries, leaving some chunks behind. For someone in a rush, that's something to keep in mind. You might need to blend it for a little longer if you're working with tougher ingredients. Next, I tried making a protein shake using powder and milk. The blend was relatively smooth, with no leftover clumps. It also held up well when blending some greens into the mix. The bottle did stay firmly in place while blending, and I didn't experience any spillage, which is a big plus. On the downside, the motor can get a little loud during operation, though it's nothing out of the ordinary for a single-serve blender. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, the Brentwood JB-196 is extremely portable thanks to its compact size. The one-touch operation is a huge time saver for anyone who doesn't want to fumble around with multiple buttons. It's easy to clean too, with a simple rinse being enough most of the times, and the bottle is pretty sturdy, so it won't crack easily when dropped. On the flip side, the blender does have its limitations. As I mentioned, it struggles a little with tougher frozen ingredients, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for a powerhouse blender. Also, while it's great for single servings, the 20-ounce capacity might not be enough for those who prefer larger portions or want to share with a friend. The noise can also be a downside for some people, especially if you're in a quiet office or home setting. In terms of value for money, this blender is fairly affordable, especially considering the convenience it offers for those who want something quick and compact. At its price point, it's a solid buy for someone looking for a no-frills portable blender. If you're looking for something that can handle larger batches or tougher ingredients though, you might want to consider stepping up to a more powerful model. Competitors like the NutriBullet or Magic Bullet, while typically more expensive, offer better overall performance and more versatility if that's what you need. But for light on-the-go blending, this one offers decent value for the price. When comparing the Brentwood JB-196 with other similar blenders in the market, it definitely holds its own in terms of convenience and design. However, if you need something with a bit more power or a larger capacity, you might find the competition offering more bang for your buck. But remember, the simplicity of this model is where it shines. If your blending needs are more about convenience than complex tasks, this might be a great fit for you. Build quality is where I found this blender to be a little more basic. The materials feel solid, but there's nothing particularly premium about them. The plastic bottle does seem durable enough for regular use, but I wouldn't recommend dropping it from great heights. Overall, the construction is suitable for everyday tasks, but you're not going to get the long-term reliability of a high-end, larger blender. Still, for the price, it's more than sufficient for someone on a budget or looking for something to take to the gym or work. If you're wondering about customer support, I didn't need to contact Brentwood directly during my testing, but from a brand reputation standpoint, they generally offer decent support if needed. Given the simplicity of this product, though, it's unlikely you'll need much assistance unless there's a rare defect. As for updates, there's nothing major to report here. Since this is a straightforward blender with no tech or software involved, there's no need for software updates or firmware considerations. To wrap up, the Brentwood JB-196 blend-to-go blender is a solid option for anyone who's looking for a quick, single-serving solution without breaking the bank. It performs well in terms of portability, ease of use, and blending basics like smoothies and shakes. However, if you need something that can handle tough ingredients or larger portions, you might want to consider other models. For those who just need a reliable, compact blender that's easy to use and clean, this one certainly delivers. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from Reviewsinsidetv. If you already own the Brentwood JB-196, or if you're thinking about picking one up, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep blending, stay healthy, and take care.